Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Oracle VirtualBox, full guide step by step. Begin by navigating to the official Oracle VirtualBox website. Look for the Downloads section. Click on the link for the version compatible with your operating system. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file in your Downloads folder. Double-click the installer to start the setup process. If prompted, allow the program to make changes to your device. Read and accept the license agreement to proceed. Select the installation path or use the default location provided. Choose any additional features you want to install, such as the VirtualBox extension pack. Click Next to continue with the installation. In the next screen, review your choices and click Install to begin the installation. The installation process may take a few minutes. If you are prompted to install device software, click Install. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to exit the setup. You can now launch Oracle VirtualBox from your applications menu or desktop shortcut. When VirtualBox opens for the first time, familiarize yourself with the user interface. To create a new virtual machine, click on the New button. Enter a name for your virtual machine and select the operating system type. Adjust the memory size according to the requirements of the operating system you plan to install. Choose whether to create a virtual hard disk now or use an existing one. If creating a new one, select the hard disk file type and storage settings. Follow the prompts to finalize the virtual machine setup. Now your Oracle VirtualBox is ready for use. You can start exploring and creating virtual environments for your projects. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.